Yo, what's going on? First fire I've had for a while. I was playing some music, but you can't hear that because of copyright laws. Oh my god. Anyway, the church bells are playing, so I had to pause the music and be respectful for the neighborhood. It's just how I am. But hey, check this out. All the way over there. Sun's going down. It's kind of pretty. I get a whole collection of pictures of that, but haven't really organized them on a website yet. One of these days. But yo, check this out. Fire's looking good. Yo, catch you later.